Hello everyone. So you're welcome back to free website design training by Austin Concepts. So now I'll be showing us some websites that we'll be able to work on. Now, this is a real estate website domicile in UK. Can you just see it? Can you see rightmove.co.uk? So I'll be explaining what all this thing means by UK.co and so on and so forth in our training. Can you see that this is a real estate websites. It says search properties for sale and to rent. Can you say free home, valuation, commercial property, energy efficiency and so on. Can you see that? So if I click on buy property for sale, new homes for sale, property valuation, if I click on rent, you can see that drop down. So we'll be learning all this thing, how we can clone websites, how we can make this website to be ours. Probably a probably your client gives you work and he or she said, I want something like this. That's your client. He said, I want something like this, like a real estate website. And you know that you are to give him or her documentation of what he or she wants. Next thing is to find is to do s- to go to a website, just search for example now, just search for this real estate website. It is not compulsory to use this one. So I'm just using this one as an example. Now, or this is another one. You can see realtor.com. Now, there is difference between this one, I mean the extension. This one is .co.uk, while this one is .com. So they have different extension. So in our class, I will be explaining what it means and what extension entails. Now, and your client now said, I want something like this. I want you to design a website for me like this. What will I do? Then, as a developer, what will you do? Now, since you don't want to stress yourself, so the first thing is for you to what? To clone these websites. Whereas you are not designing the same thing, but at least you have to clone this website so that you can edit and make it yours. All right. Now, and this is the website that I designed for one of my clients in Lagos. Can you see that? Uh, so if I click, okay, let me just go back to normal desktop view. Now, so let me go to desktop view. Come, you can see artsmith.com. So this website that I did for my client, that should be last month. That's around June this year. Now this website, so I make use of WordPress and I got my domain from let me say one of Nigeria's hosting company, Q Savers. I got my domain and hosting plan from Q Savers. Can you see that? So I can view it in mobile, like this. Now you can see that it is easy for me to fill it like it is on my phone, like to be responsive, because I have installed an add-on on my laptop. If you need it, you can just watch my video on how to install uh, extensions, how to add extensions to your browser. All right. Now, like I said, you can actually clone this website. Then, let me just go to some. Now, if you don't know what SAMP entails, you can see SAMP, that is cross-sectional Apache, MariaDB, PHP, and so on and so forth. Now, this SAMP is local host. So after you might have cloned your website, you are going to make use of this SAMP. So we download this SAMP, but not in this video. I'm just showing you some things that we need. We need, and in case you don't know how to add extension to your browser, as soon you want to add extension to your browser, just go to your browser, just type chrome webstore.google.com, and it will lead you to this place. Assuming I want to add uh mobile view. Can you see that mobile view test responsive designs? I can actually add this one. Oh, let me just look for another one. Mobile simulator. I think I have this one installed. Let me install this one. Then you click on add to Chrome. Then it will download now. Now it has downloaded and it has been added to our Chrome. Can you just see that? Remove from Chrome. Now we can make use of this mobile view. Probably anytime we are designing our websites, we can make use of this mobile view. All right. Then this is and also text editor, notepad plus plus. So we are going to download this one as well, and then Visual Studio Code. So this is just an overview of the website that we uh be working on: real estate, or let me just go to currency of the website. You can see this one is crypto.com. Okay, okay, clothing websites. Now you can see this one. You can see castle and retail.com, which is a clothing website. You can see cards or add to carts. You can search menu, and then this is the logo. So this is the logo. You can see that. So we'll be learning how to do this thing. Like, you don't have to know too much of code. You don't have to know too much of coding. So thank you once again. We are going to meet the next video. Want to meet in the next video.